Oh, that's like an Easter egg.
Inside the ampoule.
That is so cute. How do you know you're dehydrated oily?
People who have dry skin, they're always like,
That's how I feel.
our newest product that was actually manufactured last month.
Like 2 weeks ago, basically.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Cookie. Today is a very, very special episode, right Nasya? Because we have drum roll.
Skin in English is
Skin1004. So could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sena. I'm joining Beauty Cookie today to introduce our brand a bit better and like give you guys a more insider information.
So let's just get right into it.
So Skin1004 is pronounced 천사 in Korean. So the number 1004 is said in Korean sounds like 천사, and that word itself actually means angel in Korean. Our brand believes that we want to deliver skincare in its purest form to your skin, and that's why we focus on great raw ingredients. We don't use artificial fragrances or artificial colorants, anything like that, and want to stick to the more natural route. One of our biggest brand identity is that we source our Centella Asiatica from Madagascar. And so that's the special thing about our brand.
That's why it's Madagascar Centella Asiatica line.
And the reason we did that is because Madagascar Centella has 7 times more beneficial factors than regular Centella you'll be able to find. Part of the reason is because it's just a more better climate to be raising Centella. There's less pollution around the area, and so the plants growing in that environment is going to be a lot more healthier.
We wouldn't know this if you shouldn't tell her, right?
We truly believe that, getting as many people to try the products is the best way to get them to really believe in the brand, try it out again, try a different line product.
What was the first product that actually went viral?
I would say it's the Centella Ampoule. I think it's sitting over here.
I vouch by that.
I
love the ampoule.
I feel like I bought 4 bottles last night.
Really?
Yeah, I used a lot.
I don't know. What I love about Skin1004 is how big their products are. Usually when you think about ampoules and serum, even in Western beauties and stuff, the ampoules are 10 mil, 20 mil. The bigger ones are 30 mil.
Right.
But Skin1004 have 100 mil ampoules and serums. You're never gonna have a shortage of that.
And I think one of the special things about the Centella Ampoule is that it's 100% Centella Asiatica extract.
That's what I'm shocked about.
That's what I'm still trying to process.
100%.
How is it is it 100% concentrated Centella Asiatica?
There has to be a solution that carries the ingredients, but in terms of Korean cosmetic law, it's a single ingredient product. But I mean, we're not shy about saying that yes, of course it has preservatives to make sure that it's on your shelf with a lasting shelf life, and it's going to be clean for your skin.
Also, I've known Skin1004 from their viral sun serum.
It's everywhere on TikTok.
I cannot emphasize how much I've seen it on the internet.
I'm wearing it today. Yeah.
It's just so non-sticky but hydrating. And then when I do my moisturizer, I apply a serum, but then it's actually can be used as a moisturizer as well, right?
Right. So it's light enough and moisturizing enough that you could replace your moisturizer with this sun serum in your everyday skincare steps. Especially during the summer, I hate layering on too many skincare. That's when I go in with the serum at the end.
May I know what your skin
I was also curious too.
type?
My skin.
Yeah.
I think in Korean it's subuji. Yeah, the insides of my skin is need moisturization, but then the outside looks a little shiny.
How do you know you're dehydrated oily?
Usually people with oily skin don't feel the pull. People who have dry skin, they're always
Tight.
yeah,
Feels
I feel like my skin's so tight. That's how I feel, but the outward appearance is shiny.
Oily.
Yeah.
That's how I feel.
Maybe you found your skin
Do you think
type.
I'm dehydrated oily?
Maybe.
궁금하다. 루틴.
My skincare routine? My holy grail for the longest time has been this cleansing oil. I literally go through 1 bottle per month because I haven't found another cleansing oil or balm that is replaceable. But it's in a little pump.
It's literally the same packaging design. It's so cute.
And it has a little mountain in the back.
Oh, that's like an Easter egg. Is it all of the packaging like that too?
Yeah.
Inside
the ampoule. Yeah.
That is so cute. That is like the cutest Easter egg.
They have the brand visuals
Oh.
continuous. Yeah, so it's like pink clouds.
It is kind of like Imagine having all these in your vanity.
Yeah.
This is what my vanity looks
Welcome to Sena's vanity.
Yeah, exactly. Our newest Baysa line is actually based with fermented Centella that has probiotics and ceramides. And so because I'm a dehydrated but oily skin type girl, usually when I'm breaking out, it means my skin barrier is damaged. And so I love using that line for like repairing my skin barrier and a little bit more added hydration without feeling too oily.
So you change according to your skin condition then?
Right, right.
All right, so let's see what influencers think about Skin1004.
Hello line Madagascar Ampoule, and what I actually really love about this is look at the size. This is so much product. I've been using this religiously for the last 2.5 weeks, and look, I barely tapped into the top layer of it. If you get this product, it's gonna last you a really long time.
So the thing is, like, the whole video, she was in Hong Kong for quarantine during COVID, and she was like quarantined for like around like 3 weeks, and the whole time she used just Skin1004 for Madagascar Centella line, and then like you can see that glow.
And her skin is like this.
Yeah,
in a quarantine.
it's just glass skin, literally
Wow.
glass skin. Her skin especially, you can see the glow from within. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not like a surface level glow. It looks like it's like genuinely like internally hydrated and like that plumpiness.
I've tested out a zombie mask, literally zombie mask. What? I'm going to remove one of the pack. Never tried this brand out, so I'm so excited. It comes with a bunch of like, it's like a powder. And I'm gonna apply the activator in here. I mix the powder and the activator together and it turns into a liquid. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it all over my face. This mask is supposed to lift and tighten up my skin. I'm supposed to leave it on for 10 minutes, so I'll be back. Oh my god, I literally cannot move my face right now. This looks so cool. My skin feels so tight. Look at that. It literally just like cracks. Okay, I just took the mask off. My skin feels so clean. It definitely feels lifted, and I do feel like my pores literally shrunk a couple sizes.
For me, it was like, it's so fun like DIYing the mask.
mixing
and like
it.
just kind of having like a me time.
Yeah, it's actually great for like your home care kind of day, like want to do a routine for just like relaxing at home, but also want a bit of fun. So it's actually been ranked on Amazon's #1 facial mask category.
There was this crazy, not crazy, like really crazy, okay, a review of like this woman before and after she used the zombie mask, and like her skin was literally like, looked like she got something done.
This is an SPF 50 plus PA4 pluses. Water Fit Sun Serum perfectly describes the
voice is so
texture of this
soothing.
sunscreen. It is a chemical sunscreen, my favorite type of sunscreen. I don't have time to mess around with white casts. It is kind of watery on the skin. It just melts into the skin so easily. You can see in my application process, I'm applying a little bit more than the required amount. Maybe because 2 fingers is meant to cover your face and neck, but I usually do 2 fingers for my face, then another 2 for my neck, just so I can guarantee full coverage. And it looks like a mess, but then it just instantly starts disappearing into the skin, and it's so comfortable on the skin.
And sometimes you get lazy to do skincare in the morning. Just with this one sun serum, just everything's enough. Yeah.
It's like an all-in-one.
Yeah. And also he says like it's a watery type that kind of like melts into your skin. Because I was like, oh, does it have white cast? But then it just melts.
Yeah, you just gotta you gotta blend it in. You gotta make sure that you're letting your skin absorb it, and then you know the texture itself is all gone.
Actually, funny story, I sent the sun serum to one of my influencers, and she was like, oh my god, it has white cast. And she was like, oh no, what do I do? It has white cast. I don't like white cast. And like, give it time, rub it again. I told her like, come on, you know how to blend, just rub it. And she was like, oh my god, it's so good.
How did I do today? Was this helpful for you guys to learn about
Best episode
Skin1004?
so far. So fun. Like, I didn't know like a lot of things about. If I did the research myself, I would have gotten like nowhere close to the enough information we got today.
We get to know like way more deeper.
You guys definitely have used our products before and have a liking towards them, which I really appreciate. And I think really that showed across to your viewers as well. And hopefully they will try out Skin1004 as well. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Yeah. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. We have something here. What is it? I'm so curious.
So speaking of new products, I actually have our newest product that was actually manufactured only last month.
Like 2 weeks ago, basically.
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
And it's our Hyalu-Cica Yougcouture eye cream.
Oh,
It has an
can we
applicator
get
tip.
a close-up?
Yeah, of course.
See, I say this all the time. You buy the products because of the packaging. What I hate about like eye creams is that like you apply it and then you have to use your finger.
I hate the jar types.
Yeah. And also like if there's a spatula, but this is so hygienic.
So soon you'll be able to get this. Maybe by the time this video is out. Yeah.